Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you get voice chat on Roblox mobile. So in order to get voice chat on Roblox mobile, you need to follow the steps. First of all, launch open Roblox and log into your account. So once you're logged into your Roblox account, this is how the interface will look. So once logged into your Roblox account, you want to make sure to click the more button and go to settings. As you go to settings, come to the account info page. And what next you need to do is make sure to verify your phone number. So when you verify your phone number, after which exit out of this page and come to privacy and content restriction. Now then you could go ahead and make sure to enable the voice chat. So go to communications, and this is going to help you out to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. And if for some reason if you are unable to get the voice chat, then you want to make sure to contact the Roblox support and they will be able to help you out. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.